how to send cryptos from Kraken to another wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can send crypto from Kraken to another wallet. So in order to transfer cryptos from Kraken to external wallet, all you have to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now let's suppose say that you're transferring cryptos from Kraken to Trust Wallet. So for that case, you'll have to first of all open up or log in into your Trust Wallet account. So once you open up or log in into your Trust Wallet account, that's going to direct you to the home page. So this is going to look something like this. Now first of all, you need to select receive since you're receiving the cryptos, and select the wallet address, select the cryptocurrency. After you select the cryptocurrency, now you can simply go ahead and copy the wallet address or QR code. Once you're done with copying all of these information, exit out of your Trust Wallet and then log in into your Kraken account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So after that, you need to enter in or provide in the wallet address that you recently copied, and you also need to provide in the amount that you are transferring, and then on the other interface you need to select what you are actually sending. Once you've done that, next page you need to go through all of the information that you provided. If you're sure about the information that you have provided, then confirm the withdrawal or tap the send button located right at the bottom, and then you'll be notified with a statement that you've successfully sent crypto from Kraken to another wallet or external wallet. So in this way you can send cryptos from Kraken to another wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.